Okay, this is my campsite, and this thing that you're looking at is called a tent bed, and this is where the tent would go. I'm surrounded by woods, and below here you'll see what they call a fire ring. So if I were to build a fire, this is where I would build it here. Um, this is designed to keep people from burning down the forest. Say maybe 1,000 feet, 500 feet maybe. Yeah, 500 feet, there's the river. And there's my trusty companion, Rocco. He's here to keep me company. And so I just got in. It's about 4:30. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is make camp. Once I make camp, then Rocco and I can walk around and kind of explore our surroundings. One thing that I don't like about this particular campsite is that the camp pads are all so close together. Just off in the distance there, I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's another camp right there. And if I swing, I may be getting a little bit too much sunlight since the sun is actually facing me, so I must have turned due west given the time of day. But there's another campsite just about you can literally throw a rock into that campsite. And there are there are a total of 5 campsites here. And just down the river, you see a little shack. That is the outhouse. I bought a shovel, so I didn't want to use that outhouse. So it's there. So that's it for now, and we'll make camp. Okay, it's time to go through my supplies. Okay, I'm losing sunlight, but I got my dinner on the stove, and I'm actually having chicken and noodles. So you can see the chicken boiling. I actually have my tent pitched now, and this is the way it's looking. Okay, so there's my supplies, and there's my tent, and actually it looks pretty cozy inside. Let me take you in. Okay, so we go in, and there's my sleeping bag. There's a nice little pillow, and plenty of room. And so this is the passage to the tent. Okay, and also built my campfire. Thought it might not be a bad idea to start something that's going to smoke throughout the night. So I've got a little fuel on it, and it's heating up pretty nicely. And there's my protection now. Looks like I've got maybe a half an hour of sunlight left, so I might be able to go for a little. I hope that after I get some eats in, to be able to go for a little walk. So there you go. Well, it's about 9 p.m. and it's pitch black. I'm gonna try to give you an idea of what it looked like. Now I do have a light on my forehead, so you can kind of get an idea of how pitch black it is. There's the camp, the tent, and I'm going to swing around and capture the campfire. And there's the campfire.